Hi, my first grade friends. So, we are already moving on to week 3 of our sight words. So, in all, on your word wall this week, you are going to, let's count by tens, have 10, 20, 30 different words on your word wall to look at. So, let's see what words we're going to add to our word wall today. We have an, what, on, are, of, that, be, had, by, me. Oh, and there's our word wall. So we have those 30 words that are on there right now. In fact, I'm going to have to scoot this down just a little bit so you can see the whole screen. There we go. So as you can see, we've added more words under A. We have words on B now. Like we have added words all over the place. So let's real quick see if we can go through all of them together. We have a, at, and, an, are, be, by, can, for, have, he, had, it, in, is, I, me, not, on, of, she, the, to, this, that, was, with, we, what, and you. All right, I want you guys to give yourself a big pat on the back if you could have read those words. Now, remember, 2 of the new words are brand new. So if we practice, you're going to practice every day. And then remember, we're doing those mystery words every single day. Now, I started to add some trickier clues this week. So I hope everybody has their thinking hats on. Thanks, guys. I'll see you tomorrow on the word wall.